Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to see the microscopic view of an onion skin. So, as all of you know, every living organism is made up of cells, and cells are the tiniest part of our body. And to see a cell, we need a microscope. So first, you peel the skin of an onion. And then, on a slide like this, you put it on the side. Then, you add iodine. So I don't have iodine, so I use betadine, which is basically iodine with alcohol. So, you just add 1 drop. And then, with a glass cover, you put it on here. Then, we put it on the microscope. Just like this. And then, let's see. This is the microscopic view of an onion skin. It's 500 times magnification. As you can see, there are bricks-like parts here. They are the cells. The cells are separated by the cell walls. Think of a cell as a room in a house, and the cell walls are like the walls in the house. Inside each cell, there is a nucleus. They are like small dots. Okay, I hope you learned something today. Goodbye. Make sure to subscribe.